gonna bring sin into my life and then leave? A God-sent man wouldn't do that. You wouldn't tempt me like the devil unless you was him.
I can't be.
You know we could get a room, right? Or you could come by my house.
You know I cannot leave my kids.
Good morning. I made you some breakfast.
I'm a Pisces and you're a Cancer. Maybe we can be something more.
I need you, baby.
Damn.
Am I not important?
Who you calling crazy?
You just remember, you keep that pimp hand strong.
Whoa, no. You don't need to do, no.
Right to be excited.
For what?
Hey.